Good morning everyone. Okay, Jane here, Regency Bathrooms. I'm just going to talk to you this morning a little bit about building permits and whether or not you need one, commonly known as certification. So if you're going to do a bathroom renovation and you're going to keep everything in the same spot, that means not changing the layout of the room, then generally speaking you don't need a building permit. It used to be many years ago that every bathroom needed a building permit. It's different in other states, but here in the Northern Territory it is a requirement to have a building permit if you're going to do certain works. Now, the most common mistake is thinking that if you're taking out a bath and changing it to just a shower, that you don't need a building permit. And the mistake is made because people say, well, there's a shower already over the bath, so because I'm taking the bath out, I'm still leaving the shower. Technically, yes, but the problem that you face